Understanding joint agreement, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, joint agreement. This phrase is common in legal, business, and everyday contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English proficiency. So, let's dive in. Joint agreement refers to a situation where two or more parties agree on the same terms. The word joint means together or combined, and agreement means a mutual understanding or arrangement. So, a joint agreement is a collective decision or contract made by all involved parties. To better understand joint agreement, let's look at some examples. 1. Business context. Two companies might enter a joint agreement to work on a project together. 2. Legal context. In a divorce case, spouses might reach a joint agreement about the custody of their children. 3. Everyday use. Friends might make a joint agreement on where to go for dinner. These examples show how versatile and widely used this phrase is. Here are some sentences that demonstrate how you can use joint agreement in your own conversations. The two governments signed a joint agreement for environmental protection. We came to a joint agreement about the holiday plans. The contract is a joint agreement between the three companies. Notice how the phrase seamlessly fits into various scenarios. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few. Collaborative contract, mutual understanding, collective decision, shared arrangement. Each of these can be used in similar contexts as joint agreement. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of joint agreement. Remember, mastering such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Keep practicing and stay curious.